I don't think people understand just how powerful NLP tools can be for developers. Let's dive into some game changers. First up, Hugging Face Transformers. This Python library offers pre-trained models for text classification, question answering, and translation. With its easy-to-use API and support for state-of-the-art models like GPT-3 and BERT, it's a must-try. Next, we have OpenAI GPT Playground. This free tool lets you interact with OpenAI's GPT-3 model in real time. Generate text, write code, or even translate instantly. Perfect for quick experiments. Don't forget Google Cloud's Natural Language API. Ideal for sentiment analysis, entity recognition, and syntax analysis. Plus, the free tier gives you a limited number of requests each month. Stanford NLP offers a suite of pre-built tools for tasks like POS tagging and named entity recognition. Java-based, but easily integrates with Python. Last but not least, Spacer. This open-source library is designed for high-performance text processing. It supports multiple languages and functions like tokenization and entity recognition. There you have it. 5 NLP tools to elevate your text analysis game. Happy coding.